Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to hide text messages on Android. We'll cover the most effective methods to keep your conversations private. This isn't about deleting messages, but rather making them invisible to casual observers. We'll explore both native Android features and reliable third-party applications. By the end, you'll know exactly how to secure your personal communications effectively. One simple way to hide messages is by using the archive feature in Google Messages. Just long press a conversation and tap the archive icon. This moves the chat out of your main inbox. You can also mute conversations to prevent notifications from appearing, keeping your screen clear. Both methods ensure your messages are still there, just not immediately visible.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you want to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can guide you to financial freedom. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
For a higher level of privacy, consider using your phone's secure folder feature, if available. You can place your entire messaging app inside, requiring a separate password or biometric to access it. Additionally, some messaging apps like Signal offer built-in privacy features such as disappearing messages and app locks, giving you more control over your conversations. Beyond archiving, delve into your phone's notification settings. You can prevent message content from showing on your lock screen, which is a crucial privacy step. Also, review app permissions for your messaging apps. Restricting unnecessary access can enhance security. These advanced settings provide a robust layer of protection for your private communications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.